Well, hey there. It's been almost 6 months. I figure since we're all under quarantine, I'd give all 7 of my subscribers an update. Pond's gotten bigger. Since last October, we've had a lot of rain. A lot. So it's a little bigger than it was designed to be, but that's fine with me. We'll see how it does. Not sure where it's going to be through the summer. It's going to shrink a little bit. One of these days I want to put a dock on it, but I don't know exactly where the bank is going to be average throughout the year. So I'll probably wait till the end of the summer and figure out where we want it. There we go. Alright, let's try again. Ah. What? Who the heck was that? I guess it was just one of my fans. It's a little bit bigger, I think. Or he's fighting harder. Yeah. About the same. They're all about the same. Oh, I got a lot that are smaller than this. But these are the 4-inchers I put in last fall. I think they've grown a little. So besides the 500 bluegill / sunfish and 75 largemouth, we stocked this, counting both stockings, out there. 25 pounds the wind's blowing that way. Fathead minnows and 15 pounds of golden shiner minnows, plus some brooder golden shiners, which they're mature so they can reproduce. I forget how many we put of those in there. And we also put mosquito fish in there. They'll eat the mosquito larvae and they reproduce really fast, so they don't have to be restocked. So we shouldn't have much of a mosquito problem down here in the summer. There we go. Got him that time. That's a smaller one. So these bluegill that I'm catching, they're the ones that I put in November. We had about 50 that were 6 to 8 inches. They're supposed to be 6 to 8 inches. They're closer to 4 to 6 inches. But those are the ones I'm catching right now. And the ones we put in August are still probably a little too small. They may have grown to 4 inches or so by now. A little bit of fish food fell off the feeder. I need to unclog that thing. Maybe we'll get my bigger boots on so I don't get my socks wet. Alright, I need to make sure my feeder's not clogged. It sometimes clogs after a rain, but it's doing good. Alright, never mind. That's the one thing I hate about this feeder. It was relatively inexpensive. Rain, but it didn't rain for too long. Let's see if we can catch a few more here. But it's not as good as the other ones you see, the Texas feeders, I think they're called. But it works. You just gotta make sure after it rains you unclog it. The fish food gets soggy. There's Emma falling in the mud. My girls love coming down here. So much fun. But man, you can't do much fishing with them around. I wouldn't trade them for anything though. Doesn't it look like Emma's having so much fun?
It's so much fun.
She is.
Water, but get warm and stop.
Look at all that food. I probably need to shorten the time that goes. Here they come. I think those are little bass. And golden shiners are eating it too. Here we go. Hello. Those catching nothing. There we go. Got them right out of that structure, right through the muck. Ow. You make it. You can do it. Oh. There we go. Go, go. Yes, you did it. Found some more. Well, after a long day of fishing, it's always nice to come home and make some fried chicken. Here I am in fast motion making it. Get some of that seasoned flour on the chicken first. Then you need to get it in the egg mixture with other stuff in it. And get all that flour on there real good. It's just like salt and pepper, other poultry seasonings, whatever you want. Some eggs, milk. It's real good. Fried in peanut oil. Just get that oil to 375 or thereabouts. I always like to clean up as I go when I cook, so I have less to do at the end as far as clean up. Dump all that in the trash, put it in the sink. There we go. Take the trash out. Get a new trash bag in the can. Just waiting on the oil now. Peanut oil is really good for deep frying. Unless you have an allergy. But none of us do, so that's good. These are chicken quarters that I'm cooking. They took a long time to cook. Next time I'll cut them into leg pieces and thigh pieces. Just cook them separately. I wanted to get them to 180 degrees internal, but I was ended up having to cook them so long it would have burned the outside because they're such big pieces. We got them over 160 and it was still good. But dark meat I like better, a little higher temp.
Dad, can I eat this Pop-Tart?
Pop-Tart?
Dad, can I eat this Pop-Tart?
We have fried chicken and french fries. What are you talking about? Pop-Tarts. Oi. Well, that was pretty good fried chicken. I ate it pretty fast, as you can see. I think I'm full. Next time, we'll do some more fishing, maybe. I don't know. Plant some trees, willow trees around the pond or something. We'll see. I've got a few things I need to edit together for my next video. Anyway, we'll see you next time.
For a man and his pond.